Vinod Chopra had told me very categorically, very clearly. He said, Manisha, two major actors are going to be in love with you, so you better look nice. Manisha से थोड़ा मुझे डर लगता था उस वक्त.
Minimalistic.
Yes,
seriously. Each time you listen to it, and that sensation has to be there.
It's a beautiful song. You know, it's so good to work with a director who is a good actor.
Absolutely.
It's an exciting time for the filmmakers, for actresses.
Absolutely.
Am I going to tweet that I really got scared of my own film? Hi, this is Manisha Koirala and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Ms. Koirala, I'll come to the music of your movies. You've been very lucky with the music in your movies, starting with Saudagar. I think Ilu Ilu aaj bhi, matlab, I think it's as fresh as that one. So maybe if we start with Ilu Ilu and we come to the later ones as we progress, because you've had some phenomenal songs.
Yeah.
Ilu Ilu, I think aaj bhi aapko cat calls milte hain us gaane?
Some people, some fans remind me and all that, and I get along really well again with Subhashi, you know. So we have a really fond memory of doing Saudagar, but I used to be shit scared of everybody. I was very new, you know, I didn't know the film industry so well that time. So well, matlab I didn't know anything at all, you know, just out from school into films. So didn't meet, didn't gel with people, I was very scared that time.
Nine for to a love story. Every single song, I think, in the last 20 years, I think, if you look back at Indian music, always be remembered very, very fondly. R.D. Burman's Swan song, and what a Swan song!
Yeah.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, and I think the way you were presented in that I think song was outstanding.
It was beautiful. Vinod Chopra had told me very categorically, very clearly. He said, Manisha, two major actors are going to be in love with you, so you better look nice. You better look good. You know, it shouldn't look as if, you know, script kuch aur bol raha hai aur tum kuch dusra dikh rahi ho. You know, so that was like...
The entire country fell in love after that.
That is so
I'm
nice,
sure.
You know. Because I think the way, you know, you know, the whole conceived me, the way that character was, Ranjo was conceived, the way Vinod Pradhan shot me.
Even the other songs, Pyar Hua Chupke Se, all the songs, and even that one, Kuch Na Kaho.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That's my favorite song. It's
Kuch Na Kaho
really
was
nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Kuch na kaho, kuch bhi na kaho.
Coming to Bombay, you know, Kehna Hi Kya.
Yeah.
I think outstanding melody that will always remain, I think, part of Indian cinema once again. Something about Kehna Hi Kya Hai.
Again, during that time I had, because we shot the entire film in Tamil. So I didn't know the lyrics till I heard the Hindi version. We dubbed that later on. I just knew that Mani sir is there and he's very strict, and I did not know Tamil. So again, without only Arvind was my friend. Did good work, but again Mani sir से थोड़ा मुझे डर लगता था उस वक्त. दिलसे के दौरान तो नहीं, बॉम्बे के दौरान जरूर लगता था.
कहना ही क्या ये नैनी अनजान सी जो मिले, चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले.
Do you think that Chitra's voice suited you beautifully?
Yeah, very much.
It was as if that you were singing yourself.
Yes. Yes.
अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको कभी मैं न जानूं.
Akele Makele Tum, once again, all the songs work like
Brilliant
very
songs.
well. Very well. Anu Malik's music, in fact. Which is your favorite?
I like that Raja ko Rani se pyar ho gaya.
Yeah.
And Dil kehta hai. There's some I can't sing, but I wish I could.
Even there's one more song which is my personal favorite. Dil Mera Churaya Kyun, Dil Ne Todna Hi Tha. I think Kumar Sanu sang it beautifully.
Yeah. Lovely songs. Lovely songs.
दिल मेरा चुराया क्यों, जब ये दिल तोड़ना ही था, हमसे दिल लगाया क्यों, हमसे मुंह मोड़ना ही था।
Khamoshi.
Yeah.
You know, I think Khamoshi, outstanding songs were there.
Yeah.
All the songs were
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yes.
And they worked like anything. And you guys played musicians.
Yes, I played the singer and he,
Yeah.
Salman played the composer.
So, which is your favorite Khamoshi song?
ये दिल सुन रहा है तेरे दिल की
क्या
ज़ुबान. I think that was really nice.
And very nicely written as well.
ये दिल सुन रहा है तेरे दिल की जुबान।
Apart from the Dil Se, of course. Dil Se, I think all the songs
Yeah.
were brilliant. And I think Gulzar Saab at his best as far as writing is
Yeah,
concerned. And
really
even
nice.
उसमें जो एक वो गाना है ए अजनबी and I
Yeah,
think
beautiful.
Udit Narayan sang it and very
I get
minimalistic.
goosebumps when
Yes,
I.
seriously.
That's a
Seriously.
beautiful song.
Each time you listen to it and that
Yeah.
sensation has to be there.
That's a beautiful song.
अजनबी तो भी कभी आवाज दे कहीं से, मैं यहाँ टुकड़ों में जी रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ टुकड़ों में जी रहा हूँ, तो कहीं टुकड़ों में जी रही है।
Ma'am, it's great to have you back in Bollywood, honestly. And what are you doing next after Booth Returns?
There are a couple of projects on the pipeline, and besides acting, I could be doing some other things as well. But I would rather hold this news now.
Right.
And
You may
as
be
and when
producing
they,
as well? You may be producing?
Something like that. When it materializes, I will, probably talk about it more openly. But there are a couple of scripts. As an actor, I have zeroed down on.
You've completed Do Paise Ki Dhoop Chaar Aane Ki Bari, that is Deepti Nawal's film. That has been, I think, getting appreciation from international, I think,
Yes.
forums, wherever it has been shown.
Yeah, for the festivals, wherever they've invited, we've gone and we actually got standing ovations and stuff like that, And it's mainly because of Deepti. She's such a phenomenal actress, which everybody knows.
Right.
And as a director also, she's phenomenal. It's so good to work with a director who's a good actor.
Absolutely.
They know the nuances of the scene and nuances of the performances and stuff like that. So I enjoyed, and Deepti is my closest buddy. I'm very proud of that movie, and I hope it releases.
These are very interesting times for, I think, Indian cinema. This year especially, I think. Many movies have come out which are traditionally won't be considered as, the typical commercial Hindi movies, and they've done very well at the box office. Like a Kahani has been there, and a Vicky Donor has been there, Pan Singh Tomar has been there.
Yes.
English has released today, which is Sridevi's comeback, and I think it's a terrific film, in fact.
Right.
Do you think that these are very good times for you
I
to be
love
making?
these cinema. Except for English, which I'm dying to see.
Right.
I've seen all these movies and I have loved them.
Right.
And I'm so happy that they have done well in box office. Filmmaker to do what kind of movies he wants to direct or produce, an actor, a variety of scripts and variety of characters an actor can play, rather than just being the hero material or just being the black white and stuff like that. It's an exciting time for the filmmakers, for actresses.
Absolutely. People like I think Vidya Balan.
So
all
many
these people there.
Exactly.
Right.
So I think it's very, very exciting times.
Have you been in touch with all the people that you've worked with earlier, like Subhash ji or maybe Chopra, Sanjay Bhansali? All of them, they are making interesting stuff right now as well.
I am in touch with them, but it's not only my bond with people, like even with Ramu. Those 2 years or 3 years, and so many years after company, we didn't work. But I keep in touch, and he keeps in touch. Likewise with my other, directors, and few of them, I keep in touch with them, and and it doesn't have to be for work.
Absolutely.
It's friendships can go beyond work. If work happens, great. And even if it doesn't happen, we have a good bonding.
I'm sure that people are aware. You're having a very fine, work that you've already done. So I'm sure that these are very interesting times, and I hope that we get to see, because I think you have a lot of potential in terms of fitting into this context right now, the kind of movies which are being made right now as well. Finally, ma'am, if you have to sum up Booth Returns, what is so special about the movie that people can look forward to this October 12th?
I just saw the movie yesterday.
Right,
okay?
yeah, I think there was some
And
screenings.
last night.
Right.
That too at 12 o'clock in the night.
It's like
I had
scary
tweeted
film.
it actually saying
Yeah.
that will I get scared of my own film? And seriously, when I got scared, the first thing that am I going to tweet that I really got scared of my own film? You know, that sounds silly. That sounds absolutely silly, but that's a fact. Now it's for the people to decide and like it and get scared and stuff for that. You know, we've done our bit. We've enjoyed doing our bit. It's one among my good films, and I hope the audience also feels the same way that I feel about it.
We're looking forward to Bhoot Returns and looking forward to many more films from you, because personally I just went into that fan zone. We tend to interview a lot of people, but you know, we have our, because these movies were part of when we were growing up and all, so they're special for us. So looking forward to much more stuff from you, and thank you very much for being on Border.
Thank you. Pleasure.
That's always from Border Ringama. Keep on watching.